7 foods to lose belly fat fast. If you do like the video, please like, comment, and share it. To stay up to date with my latest videos on effective weight loss tips, kindly subscribe if you have not done so yet. Belly fat has become a serious problem in the United States and many parts of the world. About 54% of US adults have obesity issues. Are you one of them? Would you like to know what to eat to lose belly fat fast? But first, why is it important to lose belly fat? Belly fat is dangerous and closely linked with diabetes and heart diseases. The problem can affect anyone, regardless of age, gender, and genetics. However, there are foods that can help lose belly fat fast. Here are 7 foods to lose belly fat fast. Number 1. Cucumber and celery juice. Cucumber combined with celery juice is rich in vitamin A and K, potassium, and anti-inflammatory agents. The combination is very ideal to lose belly fat fast. It can be prepared by blending cucumber and celery in a juicer to obtain a fresh and pure juice. Pour the blended juices into 2 glasses and add squeezes of lemon for taste. Cucumber and celery juice are great for reducing problems associated with stomach fat. 2. Nuts. Nuts are good for weight loss and losing belly fat. They contain proteins and monosaturated fats, which is a heart-healthy fat. Studies have shown that people who snack on nuts may have lower abdominal fat than those who munch on carbohydrate-based treats. Nuts help slim your tummy by keeping you full, therefore you eat less. 3. Oatmeals. Oats are rich in fiber and probiotics which aid digestion. These insoluble fibers contained in oats curb your hunger and provide you with energy for working out. Regular consumption can reduce the fat content in your body. Be careful when buying oatmeal, however. Be sure to choose one that is flavorless, as the flavored oats contain sugar and chemicals. 4. Extra virgin olive oil. Certain unrefined plant-based oils such as extra virgin olive oil can help you burn belly fat and make you feel full. They help lower bad cholesterol, or LDL, and increase the levels of good, or HDL cholesterol. It is perfect for salads and seasoning food and is weight loss and heart friendly. 5. Green vegetables. Green vegetables such as broccoli, kale, spinach, and collard greens are loaded with vitamins, water, dietary fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and minerals like potassium, which help offset the bloating effects of sodium. The fibers contained in these greens can help lose belly fat fast. They prevent you from overeating. This in turn boosts your metabolism, aiding digestion and cleaning the colon. So do not neglect including green leafy vegetables among your foods to lose belly fat fast. 6. Berries. Among other benefits, berries are loaded with dietary fiber which helps improve the bowel movement and keeps you satiated for a long period. They also contain phytonutrients like anthocyanins and L-arginines, which have an effect on genes that regulate fat metabolism. Berries also scavenge harmful free oxygen radicals that reduce inflammation and inflammation-induced obesity. Number 7. Green tea. Green tea does not only fight cancer and heart diseases, it also helps lose belly fat fast. Green tea contains catechins which increase metabolism and the rate at which the liver burns fat. The tea also increases your fat metabolism rate, especially when drank throughout the day. For maximum efficiency, it is advised to drink 4 to 6 cups of green tea daily. These are 7 foods to eat to lose belly fat fast. But remember, belly fats are stubborn and won't go away in just one day. With persistence, planned activity levels, and a very good diet, belly fat can be lost in time without losing healthy muscle mass.
Advanced Vaginal Tightening Gel and Intimate Wash Set. Tightening Gel. Fast-acting vaginal tightening gel. Feel tight and fresh. Be a virgin again. Intimate Wash. A natural alternative for vaginal yeast infection, vaginitis, fishy vaginal odor, vaginal itching, vaginal burning, vaginal discharge. Be fresh and tight from now on.